Okay guys, I hope you are doing great. Let's do a quick review on what template we have created. We've done everything we needed. Let's just review it. And after that, we are going to make a conclusion in the next lesson and do more other works that maybe you like. You see, it's pretty amazing. The colors are alike and it has many fascinating options that you can use, and the transitions are very great and usable. You see here they are looking amazing, and you can also save this thing as a PDF. Why I'm saying you can save it as a PDF? Because sometimes you need to present it somewhere they don't have the same PowerPoint version or same same PC. For that, it's better sometimes also use it as a PDF. For example, we here save it as PDF. You see the PDF is creating here. It's gonna take a little time, but after that, you see you can present it here also. It's look pretty good. You see, as a PDF, it also look amazing. Without the transition, it also gave us the plan. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Have a nice time, everyone.